Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited actually. I want to show you this lapbook that I made. I have never made one before. This is my first one. I thought, do you know what? Do something a wee bit different than just an ordinary album. So yeah, I've created this lapbook. So I did follow a tutorial by Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. I will link that down in the description box. She's an amazing teacher. I'm actually going to be doing a lot more of her albums, just following her tutorials. So yeah, I made this. So it is 10 by 8, has a 1.5 inch spine. It's got 3 levels to it. I'm calling this one Aurora. I have used the Aurora paper from AltairArt. I also used the Spring Blossom and I used the Tears in Rain. Beautiful papers. So I just want to show you the cover. It's absolutely stunning. The papers that I've used, guys, I will link AltairArt down below just in case you guys are interested. But yeah, they're just beautiful. So this is the side. You can see I have used this metal piece as a closure. And this is my back piece. And I've used it's chipboard and 348 GSM card. So it's heavy, like heavy. So yeah, you can see here I've used some of the cut aparts. I've used 6 of my hat pins. They're really safe. They are in there, they're short and they're in there into foam. Got a metal leaf, beautiful flowers, and just some of the cut aparts. And I've done some fake stamping. And then I've used this cut apart on here as well and just raised it up so that it looks as if it's sitting just a bit higher, just gives it a bit more shadow. So that is the cover. For the closure, I've got the beautiful bead on the end, so it gives it some weight, okay, just to help it stay closed. And you simply wrap it on round and then it opens. So you can see, it's going to be quite difficult to show you this, guys, because it is quite big when it's open out. It is a lapbook, it's supposed to be like that, but yeah, so this is here on the front. You could put a picture in here possibly if you wanted to, but I would leave that just as a cover of the album. Same with this bit. I've put in some of the cut aparts, and you can see I've used some antique linen and I've sprayed it and things like that. So let's open it up. And you can see this is how it looks. So we'll go to this side first of all. There is a large pocket and there is space for a photograph here. I think this would make an absolutely stunning wedding album. I just think it's a beautiful way to keep all your wedding photographs all in the one place and keep it forever. So behind this wee flower I've got the brad, so you cannot see it, that's holding on the closure. It's also glued in place as well. Here you have got this wee folder. If I can find out which way it opens. Oh no, this doesn't open actually, sorry, this isn't a folder what I'm talking about. This isn't a folder, because I wanted to keep this quite flat. This is just a photo mat. I've also used some of the Paper Dynamics paper in here as well, because it just matched in really nice. So you've got a huge pocket if you've got some photos that, like, you know, you don't want to put in the album, you just want to keep loose. And then here I have put on some of the Nouveau drops by Tonic, just 2 different colours. And this is the folder, so you've got one huge folder that's used as a closure. So she's really clever, honestly. She's an amazing teacher. It was really easy to follow. This is the folder, so I have used the papers on the front and the back and on the inside, so it's gorgeous. So you could put your beautiful photographs, getting in the car, getting out the car, all these kind of things. If you used it for the wedding, obviously you don't have to, but I just think it would be pretty. You could use it for birthday, you could use it for a special occasion, an anniversary. It's just gorgeous. So you've got the 2 pockets. Now this side, okay, opens up the way. So you've got this one, space for a lovely picture, and you could do some journaling. It opens down the way. Told you it's going to be difficult to see, but there is some beautiful cut parts on here, and then more of the Paper Dynamics, and that opens out. And then you've got this nifty wee envelope thing that we created. It's just like a file folder. We created that with envelopes, so you can keep nice wee bits and pieces, maybe some bits of ephemera from whatever occasion it is. So that's that side. That goes in, that goes up, and that goes down. And this side opens out, and it opens out, and it opens don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I'll try and do it so you can. I knew this was going to be difficult to film. Down, and then it opens out again, so it's like a long concertina. So you've got that side, and the paper's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This will be listed in my Etsy store, guys. If you're interested, you'll be able to purchase it from there. I think it would be nice. I mean, you could put photographs in a journal, and there's so many ways that you could use this. But yeah, it'll be listed on there if you're interested. So let's pop this back on here. You can see the wee bird in the centre. So that's the first level, although it's called level 2 in the PDF. But yeah, open it up, and on this side, I've created. This is slightly different. I did put a few tweaks on it of my own, just because you know, as you do. So I have created another folder, okay, and I've inked everything up to make it look vintage. You've got the beautiful bird there, so you've got the belly band. This wasn't in Rosa's tutorial, but I just added it in. Then here, I've put on more of the Nouveau drops, and there is another folder. Oh, what am I talking about? Sorry, that's the first layer. Oh, guys, forgive me, I'm tired. Tired now, ready to go to bed, working tomorrow. Seen that layer, sorry, there is another layer that's got one like that, that's why I'm thinking. So then you've got the huge space here, and I like that, how it's got the image down here, and then you can have a photograph. And then this layer here, no, what's that? No, that's right, that is the layer that I'm showing you. Sorry guys, I've showed you that layer, it is this layer. Oh my goodness, right, okay, I'm wondering. You can tell I'm tired. So, another beautiful photo mat. Big, beautiful folder. These ones are belly bands. Now, these ones are both the same, okay? So, they open up like this, right? And then in the middle, you've got space here to journal, and you've got a waterfall for your pictures. And then each side, okay, when you see it, it opens. Look at the paper, isn't that beautiful? Just gorgeous. So let me see if I can get this all in. Each side opens and opens, and then you have a concertina. I don't know if you'll be able to see. It comes right out, huge concertina there, and it's the same on this side. You've got the huge concertina as well. So you see how big it is. I cannot fit it in frame. So that goes back in there. This one just goes in here, and then it flips up. Then you have this part, and this goes, let me just move it down a bit. It opens up and up and up. You've got another belly band with another folder. It just slips in there. That closes down. This one, look at that paper, isn't that beautiful? And then you've got another folder, and this pocket, and this beautiful page to put a space here. And then this just goes like that. This one comes down like that. So you can see you've got all the different parts. That goes down like that. This one comes over like this. That goes over like that, that goes over like that, and then all you do, take your ribbon, pull it tight, and wrap it around there, and you've got the beautiful, and it's lovely. I just absolutely adore it. I think it's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous album. I'm so happy with it, honestly guys. I'm really proud. You know that when you make something and you're proud of it? That's how I feel about this. So yeah, check it out. Check out AltairArt papers and things. Check out my Etsy store. See if you want to purchase it, have a wee look, and talk to me in the comments. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you. Bye bye.